Lesson number 15. Pamoka numeris 15. Let's start with the word restaurant, which would be restoranas. 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 So now in the restaurant would be restorane. 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 I am in the restaurant. Aš esu restorane. Aš esu restorane, right? Aš esu. So you are in the restaurant. Tu esi restorane. Tu esi restorane. Tu esi restorane. Good. Now, are you in the restaurant? Ar tu esi restorane? Ar tu esi restorane? Ar tu esi restorane? The word for menu is menu. So menu, menu, menu. We don't have that menu. It's not ye. Yeah, it's like menu, menu. The menu is on the table. Menu yra ant stalo. On the table, ant stalo. So stalas, but stalo, ko, genitive. So on the table. On what? On the table. Menu yra ant stalo. Menu yra ant stalo. Can I see the menu? He would say, to see would be pamatyti. Pamatyti. Or you would say pažiūrėti. But pamatyti is a very common word to use over here. So you would say, ar galiu, can I? Ar galiu pamatyti menu? Ar galiu pamatyti menu? Now menu is in accusative over here, but it's still the same version as nominative for this verb, for this word. Ar galiu pamatyti menu? Ar galiu pamatyti menu? The word for waiter or waitress yra padavėjas or padavėja if it's female. Padavėjas, padavėja. Padavėjas, padavėja. So the waiter comes, padavėjas ateina or padavėja ateina. Padavėjas ateina or padavėja ateina. The same for the waiter is coming. Padavėjas ateina, padavėja ateina if it's waitress, right? The waitress asks, padavėja klausia. Or the waitress is asking, padavėja klausia. Padavėja klausia. Padavėja klausia. She asks what you want. Ji klausia, ko tu nori. Ji klausia, ko tu nori. Ji klausia, ko tu nori. What do you want? Ko tu nori. Ji klausia, ko tu nori. To order would be užsakyti. Užsakyti. Or if you want to make it a reflexive one, so to do it for yourself would be užsisakyti. So užsakyti or užsisakyti. I order food. Aš užsakau maistą. Aš užsakau maistą. Do you order food? Ar tu užsisakai maistą? Or ar tu užsakai maistą? You can have that say if you want to have the reflexive, like order for yourself, or just order it. Ar tu užsakai maistą? Ar tu užsakai maistą? Ar tu užsakai maistą? We are ordering now, or we order now. Mes užsakome dabar. Mes užsakome dabar. Mes užsakome dabar. He ordered food. Jis užsakė maistą. You can even use genitive over here. You can say jis užsakė maisto. Jis užsakė maistą. Jis užsakė maisto. You could even say jis užsisakė. Užsisakė. You have that si particle to make it a reflexive one. Jis užsisakė maistą. Jis užsisakė maistą. So the word from food is maistas. And again, good food is geras maistas. Geras maistas. I want food. Aš noriu maisto. Aš noriu maisto. I want food. Aš noriu maisto. Do you want food? Ar tu nori maisto? Ar tu nori maisto? Maisto, right? Genitive. Ar tu nori maisto? So the dish or meal would be patiekalas. 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 A hot dish, karštas patiekalas. Karštas patiekalas. It's a masculine noun, right? Or for karštas, not karšta. Karštas patiekalas, but for example, we had karšta sriuba, right? Because sriuba is a feminine noun. I order a hot dish, or I'm ordering a hot dish. Aš užsakau karštą patiekalą. Aš užsakau karštą patiekalą. Do you want a hot dish? Now, we know that with want we have ko, we have genitive. Ar tu nori karšto patiekalo? Ar tu nori karšto patiekalo? Ar tu nori karšto patiekalo? So soup is sriuba, right? So warm soup, šilta sriuba. Šilta sriuba. I want soup, aš noriu sriubos. Aš noriu sriubos, right? Aš noriu sriubos. Do you want soup? Ar tu nori sriubos? Ar tu nori sriubos? Ar tu nori sriubos? A salad would be salotos. Salotos. It's like a plural of salads. Salotos. Fresh salad. Šviežios salotos. Šviežios salotos. I order a salad or I'm ordering a salad. Aš užsakau salotas. Aš užsakau salotas. She orders fresh salad. Ji užsako šviežias salotas. Ji užsako šviežios salotas. The word for meat is mėsa. So types of meat, we can have chicken, which would be vištiena, because the chicken would be višta. So chicken meat would be vištiena. Beef, because a bull is jautis, so beef would be jautiena. Jautiena. Fish, žuvis. 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 So I want chicken. Aš noriu vištienos. Aš noriu vištienos. Aš noriu vištienos. Ko vištienos? Do you want fish? Ar tu nori žuvies? Ar tu nori žuvies? Ar tu nori žuvies? A drink would be gėrimas, and drinks plural would be gėrimai. Gėrimas and gėrimai. Gėrimas and gėrimai. I want a drink. Aš noriu gėrimo. Aš noriu gėrimo. Aš noriu gėrimo. Do you want a drink? Ar tu nori gėrimo? Ar tu nori gėrimo? Ar tu nori gėrimo? Water would be vanduo. Still water. So basically, in Lithuanian, you're saying not sparkling water, because sparkling would be gazuotas, and still water would be negazuotas vanduo. Negazuotas vanduo. So again, sparkling water would be gazuotas vanduo. Gazuotas vanduo. And just simply a glass of water, stiklinė vandens. So a glass of what? Of water, therefore you have water in genitive. Stiklinė vandens. Stiklinė vandens. I want water. Aš noriu vandens. Aš noriu vandens. Aš noriu vandens. Do you want sparkling water? Ar tu nori gazuoto vandens? Ar tu nori gazuoto vandens? Ar tu nori gazuoto vandens? Tea would be arbata. 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 Coffee would be kava. 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 So I want coffee. Aš noriu kavos. Aš noriu kavos. Aš noriu kavos. I do not want coffee. Aš nenoriu kavos. Aš nenoriu kavos. Aš nenoriu kavos. Do you want tea or coffee? Ar tu nori arbatos ar kavos? Ar tu nori arbatos ar kavos, right? Ar tu nori arbatos ar kavos? And you say, I want tea. Aš noriu arbatos. Aš noriu arbatos. Aš noriu arbatos. To bring, atnešti. 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 Just to nešti would mean like to carry, but to bring would be atnešti. Atnešti. So bring me water, please. So please is prašau. Prašau. Prašau basically means I'm asking you. So you would say, bring me water. So now you have imperative. So, atneškite. Atneškite. You're asking it in a polite kite form because you want to address someone politely, or plural. So it's the same thing in Lithuanian. So, atneškite man vandens prašau. Atneškite man vandens prašau. You could put prašau at the front. You could say prašau, atneškite man vandens. All of these work. Atneškite man vandens prašau. Prašau, atneškite man vandens. The waiter brings food. Padavėjas atneša maistą. Padavėjas atneša maistą. Padavėjas atneša maistą. She brings drinks. Ji atneša ką? Gėrimus. Gėrimai, gėrimus. Ji atneša gėrimus. Ji atneša gėrimus. Now to taste or to try, as in food, would be paragauti. Paragauti, like to try a little bit, paragauti. So I want to taste, aš noriu paragauti. Aš noriu paragauti. Aš noriu paragauti. Do you want to taste this? Ar tu nori paragauti to? To, of that, ko, genitive, right? Ar tu nori paragauti to? Ar tu nori paragauti to? Delicious would be skanus if masculine or skani if feminine. So for example, the word food, maistas, is a masculine noun. So you would see this, the food is delicious, maistas yra skanus. Or just simply maistas skanus. You could even just say skanus maistas. That would be delicious food. All of these work. Maistas yra skanus, maistas skanus. How would you ask, is the soup good? You would ask, ar sriuba skani, right? Because delicious for feminine is skani. Is it good? Ar sriuba skani. You would not necessarily ask, ar sriuba gera. Like you could ask like this. You could ask, ar sriuba gera. That would be literally, is the soup good? But you would just ask, ar sriuba skani. Ar sriuba skani. Usually when you have gera or garas with food in Lithuanian language, it's meant like not spoiled, still good, if it's not gone bad. So therefore you're asking, ar sriuba skani. So the fish is not good, meaning it's not delicious, right? Žuvis nėra skani. Žuvis nėra skani. Now when we have negative, I cannot omit the verb to be. And I cannot just say žuvis skani, because that would mean that the fish is good. So if it's negative, I have to keep it. Žuvis nėra skani. Žuvis nėra skani. Favorite is mėgstamiausias or mėgstamiausia. Mėgstamiausias or mėgstamiausia. So my favorite dish, mano mėgstamiausias patiekalas. Mano mėgstamiausias patiekalas. Mėgstamiausias because patiekalas is a masculine noun. Mano mėgstamiausias patiekalas. What is your favorite dish? You would be asking, like what is your favorite dish? So basically you ask koks. Koks. What is your favorite dish? Koks tavo mėgstamiausias patiekalas. You could even add koks yra tavo mėgstamiausias patiekalas, but it's not necessary here. Koks tavo mėgstamiausias patiekalas. Koks tavo mėgstamiausias patiekalas. This is my favorite dish. Tai mano mėgstamiausias patiekalas. Tai mano mėgstamiausias patiekalas. It is my favorite dish. Or this is my favorite dish. Tai mano mėgstamiausias patiekalas. Tai mano mėgstamiausias patiekalas. Salt is druska, 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 and sugar is cukrus, cukrus, cukrus. So more salt, you would say more of salt. Therefore, you have druska in genitive. You would say daugiau druskos. Of course, if you said daugiau druska, it would be understood. But, well, you want to talk correctly, right? So, daugiau druskos. And less sugar, mažiau, mažiau. Daugiau, more, less, mažiau. So, mažiau cukraus. Mažiau cukraus. Mažiau cukraus. Can I have more salt? Ar galiu gauti daugiau druskos? Ar galiu gauti, can I get? Ar galiu gauti daugiau druskos? Ar galiu gauti daugiau druskos? I want less sugar. Aš noriu mažiau cukraus. Aš noriu mažiau cukraus. Aš noriu mažiau cukraus. To choose would be pasirinkti. You have to add this reflexive because usually you are the one that's making the choice. If you're choosing for someone else, you could say parinkti. right? But pasirinkti, that's more common to say. So how would you say, I choose this dish? You would say, aš pasirenku šį patiekalą. Aš pasirenku šį patiekalą. You could even have another form of reflexive where you don't have a prefix and you're adding si at the end. You would say renkuosi, renkuosi, renkuosi. Aš renkuosi šį patiekalą. What do you choose? Ką tu renkiesi? Ką tu renkiesi? Ką tu renkiesi? Aš renkuosi, but tu renkiesi. He chooses soup, or he's choosing soup. Jis pasirenka, that's not very common to say, jis renkasi. Jis renkasi sriubą. That's another version of reflexive verb. You can have both ways. You can have it pasirenka and renkasi without the prefix. She chooses salad. Ji, again, you can say ji pasirenka salotas or ji renkasi salotas. Ji renkasi salotas. Sometimes ji renkasi salotas can also mean that she's still deciding. She's still looking at it. So in Lithuanian, you would say something like ji nori saloto or aš noriu saloto. In a way, you're saying, I want this. That's what you're choosing. So reservation would be rezervacija. 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 So do you have a reservation? So rezervacija would be here in accusative. Ar turite rezervaciją? Ar turite rezervaciją? We have a reservation. Mes turime rezervaciją. Mes turime rezervaciją. Mes turime rezervaciją. We do not have a reservation. Mes neturime rezervacijos. Mes neturime rezervacijos. Mes neturime rezervacijos. Check or bill would be sąskaita. So the bill, please, you would say sąskaita, prašau. But that's a good way to say it, but not a very common way because it sounds a bit cold. So you would say, for example, something, can you bring the bill? Ar galite atnešti sąskaitą? Ar galite atnešti sąskaitą, right? Ar galite atnešti sąskaitą? So to pay would be mokėti. Mokėti. So I pay, aš moku. Aš moku. By the way, aš moku can also mean I know how. Because mokėti means either to pay or to know how to do something. So that's the same verb you use here. So you could say to pay mokėti or I pay, aš moku. I will pay, aš sumokėsiu. Aš sumokėsiu. You have this prefix that will mean that I will complete the transaction. I will pay up fully, right? Aš sumokėsiu. Are you paying or I am paying? You could say ar tu moki, ar aš moku. Ar tu moki, ar aš moku. That's a very common way to say it in Lithuanian. Basically, are you paying right now or am I? Ar tu moki, ar aš moku. You can even remove the second moku. You can say ar tu moki, ar aš. We pay together, mes mokame kartu. Mes mokame kartu. You could say mes mokame kartu. To leave would be, or to go out would be išeiti. 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 So we leave or we are leaving, mes išeiname. Mes išeiname. Mes išeiname. Are you leaving now? Ar tu išeini? You could add dabar, but you would even ar tu išeini would work, because if somebody sees you going and you're asking ar tu išeini, that works. I'm leaving after the meal. Aš išeinu po valgio. So as in English language, you use present tense to convey future, as in I am leaving, as in I will leave. It's the same thing with Lithuanian. You could say aš išeinu po valgio. That's not a very correct Lithuanian, but it's still used in spoken language really, really a lot. You could say aš išeisiu, that's a future tense, but aš išeinu po valgio, that's also works. Some polite interactions, like excuse me, would be atsiprašau, right? Atsiprašau. Thank you would be ačiū, ačiū, ačiū. Thank you very much would be labai ačiū, labai ačiū, labai ačiū. Everything is good, viskas gerai. Viskas gerai. So, for example, a waiter or a waitress would ask you, is everything good? They would ask you, ar viskas gerai? Ar viskas gerai? So, everything is delicious. Viskas skanu. Viskas skanu. Viskas skanu. So, somebody would ask you, ar viskas skanu? Is everything delicious? Ar viskas skanu? Ar viskas skanu? But would be bet. So, I want soup, but you want salad. How would you say this? I want soup, but you want salad. Aš noriu sriubos, bet tu nori salotų. Aš noriu sriubos, bet tu nori salotų. Aš noriu sriubos, bet tu nori salotų. And would be ir. So, we eat and we talk, or we are eating and we are talking. Would be mes valgome ir kalbamės. Mes valgome ir kalbamės. Mes valgome ir kalbamės. So once again, if you feel that you need to repeat this lesson or lessons that came before it, do that. If not, if you feel confident, let's move on to the next lesson. I will see you there.